Right now you're being brought up on FACE charges, and for those of you who don't know, that's the freedom of access to clinic entrances. And what they're saying to you is that you blocked the clinic entrance of some people who were trying to get inside. And I don't believe that's what happened, but with what you can say, describe this event and what's going on right now.
Well, let me say first that I've been counseling since 1998. I have probably multi-days of a week, you know, at Hillcrest, on Georgia Avenue, and Planned Parenthood now, and I probably have witnessed, I don't know, maybe 12, 15,000 events of women going in for abortion, and not only my counseling but other counseling. I have never seen anyone make an attempt to block a woman going in abortion. I've never seen that, and I've asked other people. No one has ever seen any pro-lifer that comes in front of abortion to block a woman going in abortion.
Yep.
And all I got to say is that I disagree with their charges.
Yep.
And that's about as much as I can say. There was a situation on that particular day where women did come in, and we assumed that she's going in for an abortion. And the way things went, that there was a little confusion as to what happened on the part of Planned Parenthood. And so they've got the story a little bit distorted, and you know, but so we've gone in with a response to the charges, and so we disagree with some of the charges. So that's been, but I mean, that's all I could say. I don't know anyone that blocks a woman going in for an abortion, and now there's other charges too, and that is, you know, about the extent to which I talk to the women coming and going in and coming out. And of course they have a misunderstanding, their own distorted views of what I do and what counselors do.
Yeah.
But I'm doing what all counselors do. I offer women going in for an abortion alternatives to abortion and help. I offer women that come out, if they're pregnant, help with it. If they're pregnant, we have help for you. If you had an abortion, we have help for you, and that's about it. And then, if somebody comes out and I start talking with them and they seem to be interested in what I have to say, I will follow them. As long as they're interested in what I have to say,
you will follow
I will keep
them.
talking. Yeah.
Sure, yeah.
And you know, and very often that's turned into a save. But at least I give them information. I hope there's a save. Might have been a save that I didn't hear about, maybe. But that's what I do. So these are those kind of experiences that I'm just describing have been distorted.
Yeah.
And to mean something that I'm doing something else, you know. And
so, to what end? What are they seeking from you? What is the result of what they want to get out of this?
Well, my feeling is, I think everybody that they want to give it to me because of my style of counseling, which is not too much more than others, but there's been a lot of saves, and I must be losing money.
At least $500 a shot. So you're talking about many tens of thousands of dollars.
So I think they want to give it to me, but also they want to give it to every other counselor there. They want to put a bubble around the that 16th Street Planned Parenthood. They want to. My interpretation of what they said they want to do is want to put a 20-foot bubble zone from the gate.
For you.
For me, me and anyone else that has been associated with me in counseling. So all those people that have been there working with me in counseling would be involved, and then I'm not sure whether they would it would extend to anybody. I do believe that if they win this case, they would really extend it to anybody and just have a permanent
try to push it all the way out.
Yeah, they're intimidating me and my people that counsel on the days that I'm there with me. But you know, I really think they want to spread that.
Yeah.
on a permanent base for anybody.
Well, I mean, the FACE Act, in my opinion, was a whole, it's an intimidation tactic because, I mean, ultimately they can hit you with jail time and a fine, and you have been presented with both of those, right?
No, just a fine.
They didn't talk jail sentence? I thought it was mandatory 6 months.
Well, I don't really...
Because if they do an actual FACE Act challenge to you, that would mean jail time.
Yeah, I think maybe because this is described as a non-violent blocking.
Okay. So that's just a monetary solution.
That's just
and of course the bubble zone.
The bubble
so
zone,
that would be the key right there.
But the bubble zone, I don't believe the bubble zone comes under the FACE Act. I think there's probably two issues. I think that's how that would work out.
Yep.
So, and now the FACE Act, protects us too. Mm-hmm. And well, I have not really gone in to read it in detail, but I have this other case about the pepper spray.
Oh yeah, right. Yeah.
So it was just about a week before.
So that's protecting you, somebody committing violence against you in front of the abortion law.
Yeah. So this is a case where this woman pepper sprayed me, and I hardly did anything. All I did was offer a flyer, and she says, "Get away from me! I want to spray you." And I said, "Man, we're just trying to help you." And she sprayed me. And so she had gone in with a pepper spray in hand.
Yeah.
Anyway, there is a case. I called the police. So in this case, the Department of Justice is really defending me and supporting me in this case.
Well, that's good.
And she violated I guess there's against the law, D.C., that you can't
use pepper spray.
So that's another issue. And but that's the kind of situation we have. I mean, there's violence out there in front of the abortion mill, and I think the primary violence I've experienced are from people passing by.
Really?
That's my feeling. And then also, and the secondary would be the men that go in with the women. They very often are threatening, but very rarely do they follow through.
With the stuff that's been happening to you, it hasn't discouraged you. You're still going out to the abortion mills, right?
Yes, I still am. It has not discouraged me. I just feel that, well, they hated Christ before me, so I know they hate me. Yeah. And these things are going to happen, so I'll leave it to the good Lord to take care of me.
There we go. God bless you, Dick.
My guardian angel.